These are a pair of 2.1 metre gooseneck gates. They have a heavy bottom rail fitted because they are automated. These gates were supplied with black hinges, but we can also supply galvanised hinges and fittings. These gates were pressure treated with osmosis nature wood, and the customer stained them after. They are produced, handcrafted and manufactured at a facility in Crowe Sawmills in Mohill, County Leitrim. All our gates are made from Swedish redwood and are handcrafted to our highest standards, always.